Okay, hello everyone. So today we will return back to the fundamental of JavaScript for front-end developer. So today we will talk about this in JavaScript. This is one of the most misunderstood concepts. As it's called, this is special keyword that refers to the execution context of a function at the time function is called. It answers the question, who is calling this function right now? So the value is not determined when a function is written, but at the moment the function is called. To determine its value, we follow a hierarchy of four main rules. If I have to say in one sentence about this, I'd like to say that this refers to the object of function that is called, that is execute. Okay, by default binding for this is, let me fix it. So that means the window object you can try in a browser environment and in non-strict mode. Why non-strict mode? Because if it is in strict mode, we will not undefined. The global object in Node.js environment when run in the REPL, the interactive internal. Undefined in strict mode, use strict. This is the safer behavior and is default in ES6 modules. An empty object in a Node.js environment when run a file. This is because each file is treated as its own module, and this is the top level of a module, refers to module export. Okay, let me check. Okay, it's module export, which is initially an empty object. So what is the four rules for determining this? Rule 1, the new binding. This rule has the highest priority. So what does it mean? It will override others' priority. When a function is called as a constructor using the new keyword, this refers to a brand new empty object that is created by the new operator. You can see a new empty object is created. This one. The constructor function is called with this, set to the new object. Properties are added to this inside the constructor. The newly created object is returned. So you can see right here we have a function person name. So this here is new empty object. And then we refer to this object with this, not name. Oh, sorry about that. Constant Alice equal new person Alice. And remember, this is totally a new object. Yes. Now we talk about the explicit binding with cone.apply.bind. Remember this one because I still remember the 1 year ago I got an interview question about it. Okay, next. This becomes the first argument passed to the methods. We have this one function rating plus this name. Okay, so that means we will have a user named Alice. You see, read.core user hello Alice, apply Alice. But so we will use it will be like hi, and then it will as an array. Okay, dot bind does not invoke the function. It returns a new function where this is permanently bound to the provider object. Okay, so I think it's really easy to confuse this one. So we can check additional example for bind. Losing this in a callback. We can see we have an object named Felix say hi, function hello this name, and then it will refer to the name Felix. So when we pass user.hi directly, we only pass a reference to the function later called by setTimeout without the user object context. So when we call user.sayHi with after 1 second, so we will got the undefined. We need to check sayHi function is invoked by setTimeout mechanics. We call it as a standalone function with for another the default binding rules. So this refers to the global object window or undefined in strict mode, neither of which has a name property. So that means let me check if we call it without the test timeout. It should be hello Felix. Let me check to compare with without set timeout that are not invoked. So I call user.sayHi without set timeout. We will get hello Felix. The solution using .bind to lock the context. .bind creates a new function with this permanently set to specific object no matter how or when it's called. Oh, okay. So that means in the next is always user equal to Felix. Okay. Even we use set timeout. Okay. Implicit binding the dot rule. This is the most common case. It has a third highest priority and applies when a function is called as a method on an object. This refers to the object directly to the left on the dot as a cone sign. So that means I think it's similar to class. Yes. Default binding. Finally, when none of the match is called, when a function is called standalone, the value is environment dot mode. You can see that. Yes, it's easy. I don't want to type R. Okay, the specific case. Arrow functions introduced in ES6 do not allow the follows above. They have their own unique behavior. Arrow functions do not have their own this binding. They inherit this from their parent lexical scope. The value of this inside an arrow function determined by when the function is defined, not where it's equal. Yes, perfect. So that means nowadays you can see a little bit, just a little bit with this, because we almost use arrow function, so that's why we don't have to see this more. Okay, so that is this. It's easy to misunderstood. Yes, but after that I feel it's better. Now I can understand more, not fully understand, just more. That's it. Okay, I have a more 1, 2, 3, 4 video on my head. Discipline, try my best.